Okay, in this workshop, thanks for the insightful talks from all the speakers, and all the speakers gave a talk cover a wide range of topics related to our workshop, from efficient data annotation, learning knowledge from 2D images and applying them to tackle 3D problems, and using line separation to address computer vision problems, and popular and practical long-tailed vision recognition, and weakly supervised co-segmentation, as well as one of the fundamental tasks in computer vision, instance segmentation. And also thanks for all the challenge participants from ETH, UCU, Intel, Seoul National University, Beijing Jiaotong University, Nanjing University of Science and Technology, and their efforts significantly boost the development of weakly supervised visual recognition. And so what's next of our workshop? We will introduce more practical challenges with imperfect data annotations to compete state-of-the-art approaches, or learning to perform data efficient annotation and training. Several candidate topics may include closing retrieval for fashion, few-shot object segmentation or object classification, as well as interactive object segmentation and long-tailed recognition. Here, in addition, I want to introduce one of our recent work on interactive segmentation, and here's the demo, and we use the interactive segmentation method and build a large-scale data set. Yeah, and this work was accepted as an oral presentation in this year, and more details can be found in the reference given below. And given these interactive tools, and we built a pixel ImageNet, we use the tools to annotate more than 600,000 instance masks for the IRS VRC localization challenge, which include more than 1,000 categories. I think this data size can be used to benefit image classification, instance segmentation, and semantic segmentation, silent object detection, and more. And we also will plan to sampling some subset from this data set to perform such as few-shot learning in the future. And if you have more suggestions, and welcome to send me an email to the given above. And keep tuned, and thanks for your attendees.